สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน大家好
Hey friend, welcome to my channel, Colors of Màu Màu.
If you are new here, my name is Chen, but everyone call me Màu Màu, so feel free to call me that name.
I'm currently living and working in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm a full-time partnership development manager at a marketing technology company. So in my free time, I love learning new languages. That's why in this channel, I would love to share with you tools and strategy to progress in your language learning journey. Also, how to lead our life happier and healthier and making time to do what we love. In this very first video, I would love to share with you about my language learning journey, why I learned their languages, and how those languages have become a part of my life now. And of course, I will use those languages to express my idea. Let's go!
大家好，我是毛毛，但你可以叫我的小名是毛毛啊。为什么我要学普通话？我想讲讲你一个故事。以前在我的英文能力更好之后，我想学一门新的语言。但学日本语了1年后，我觉得我不喜欢学日本语，没有继续学习的动力。不过从日本语学习的时候，我发现我对中文汉字有感兴趣，非常喜欢中文汉字，所以最后我改用学中文。我已经学中文大概2-3年了，但在越南的时候，我的中文水平不好，因为是对我来说工作是最重要，工作一点忙，还有管理时间的能力不好，而且在越南，我天天都用越南语说话，在公司有时候用英文，用中文的机会也不多。但来曼谷后，我的工作和约会都更满意，我也看到很多人在公司或者出差的时候都会说中文，所以我决定好好学习中文。现在学习快1年了，自学或者向老师和同学学习，说话和听觉的能力都变得更好。我的中文目标是，无论是工作或者旅行的时候，都能说一门流利的中文。สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนหนูเป็นคนเวียดนามแต่ว่าอยู่กรุงเทพทำงานประมาณ1 ปี5 เดือนนะคะหนูเป็นคนพูดได้หลายภาษาที่เรียนภาษาไทยมาปีกว่าแล้วนะคะการเรียนภาษาไทยทำให้ชีวิตหนูง่ายขึ้นหนูสามารถสื่อสารกับเจ้าของที่พักสั่งอาหารพูดคุยกับคนขับรถหรือเข้าใจสิ่งที่ผู้คนพูดที่บริษัทได้ดียิ่งขึ้นก็ในขณะเดียวกันเมื่อได้เรียนภาษาไทยหนูก็เข้าใจวัฒนธรรมไทยมากขึ้นจึงสิ่งที่น่าสนใจในขนบธรรมเนียมของที่นี่การเรียนรู้ภาษาไทยไม่ง่ายหนูยังจำตอมที่ครูไปออกโรงการแข่งเขียนได้หนูอยากจะร้องให้หนูไม่เข้าใจว่าทำไมหนูถึงเลิกเรียนภาษานี้แต่หนูพยายามที่จะฝึกฝนเพื่อเข้าใจภาษาไทยได้ดียิ่งขึ้นแบบว่าหนูฝึกอ่านหนังสือเขียนบทความเป็นภาษาไทยและที่สำคัญที่สุดคือพูดภาษาไทยกับคนไทยโดยตรงก็หนูเชื่อว่าการสื่อสารกับคนไทยจะช่วยให้หนูพัฒนาภาษาไทยได้มากXin chào mọi người, Màu rất là vui chào mọi người tới với kênh YouTube của Màu. Màu muốn giải thích một chút là tại sao Màu lại muốn lập cái kênh YouTube này. Lý do đầu tiên là vì Màu cũng xem YouTube khá là nhiều. Những chủ đề mà mình hay xem thì rất là nhiều. Nhưng mà trong đó thì bao gồm những cái chủ đề chính như là việc học ngôn ngữ như thế nào, việc học yoga này, về âm nhạc, các show truyền hình thực tế hay là những cái kênh review như là review phim hay review âm nhạc thì mình cũng đi xem rất là nhiều. Vân vân và mây rất là nhiều mà kể cả ngày chắc là cũng không hết. Thì vì cái việc đó là mình xem quá nhiều nhiều, thì dẫn đến là mình cũng muốn một ngày nào đó thì mình trở thành một YouTuber. Và trong 3 tháng tới thì mình rất là muốn dành thời gian để chia sẻ với mọi người nhiều hơn về kinh nghiệm, những cái tips, những cái mẹo mà mình đã học được trong quá trình xem những cái người YouTuber khác, trong cái quá trình, thông qua cái quá trình mà mình học những cái ngôn ngữ mới, quá trình mà mình làm việc. Và cũng rất là nhiều bạn hỏi mình thì cuộc sống ở Thái như thế nào và làm sao mình có được công việc này, thì mình rất là muốn có thể dành thời gian để chia sẻ với mọi người nhiều hơn. Nếu mọi người xem video của Màu và có những cái đề xuất mới thì có thể comment trong cái phần bình luận ha. And last but not least, English. So as you can see, English isn't my first language, and like people in my generation, I have a long history learning English, around 15 years until now. I'm learning from primary school, then high school, then university. And you know what? Even now, I'm still learning English every day from my friends, from my colleagues at work, traveling, and so on. I still remember when I began learning English. I'm so happy and enjoy learning it a lot. It's when I was in my 3rd grade at school, and then my oldest sister, gave me an English book for kids. The very first words that I learned is apple. And that's when I realized that there's another way to call that fruit instead of using my mother tongue. However, learning a new language isn't that easy, especially when I wasn't surrounded myself with the right environment where not many people could speak English, not mention about speaking English fluently and correctly. At some point, I thought that it was unfair. Why some people was born with an English speaking environment and why not me? Luckily, that thinking wasn't a hurdle to stop me from learning, but it became my motivation to get better and better in learning English and language in general. It would not be exaggerated to say that thanks to English, my life have changed completely in a positive way. Okay, final part. So why I'm making this video? As I say, I used to have a lot of self-doubt and thinking that I wasn't get the privilege to was born in the environment where people speaking English. However, through my lifelong language studying, I have met many people who helped me, and I also learned from other language learning YouTube channel as well. I do appreciate the learning journey and embraces even more now. Many friends had told me that they were too old to begin with a new language. Some have learned language for years, but they still struggle with it. The truth was that I wasn't this confident speaking in English till I was 20 years old, and now 7 years later I can speak in 4 different languages, and of course I wouldn't stop from where I am. I will keep improving and exceeding my growth for sure. I strongly believe in being consistent, being passionate, and using the right methods. Those things combined together will lead us to a fruitful learning path. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in my video. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in my video. I hope that you enjoy it as much as I making it. Now before you go, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any future content. And if you like what you saw, just give this video a thumbs up. And if you can comment, it's even better. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.